Dear students, all the concepts or topics of the chapter arithmetic progression is already over. We have gathered informations of AP. Now it's time to solve different questions based on AP. Uh, Let us discuss some questions. The question number 1 is like this. Is 78 a term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on. Here what is given? Now one AP whose list of number is already given, and we are asked to check whether it is a term or not. So how to check it? First of all, you write given that given AP is 3, 8, 13 dot dot dot. As one AP with list of a number is already given, so you can find first term. This is your first term. D, how to find? 8 minus 3, second term minus first term equal to 5. And what is question says? What question says? Now 78 a term or not, that we are going to check. Let nth term be 78. So nth term how to write? An equals to 78. So a plus n minus 1 into d, that will be 78. What is a? 3 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the d value here? 5, and substitute here 78. First of all, this 3 you take that side. N minus 1 into 5, that will be 78 minus 3, that will be 75. So what is n minus 1? 75 by 5, that will be 15. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, that will be how much? Now 16. So 16th term is 78. Hence 78 is a term of the given AP. Try to understand. If this will not, as this is a natural number, so it's a term. If this will not form a natural number, then we cannot say that this is a term. Question number 2, the same question you have to take. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Here the same question. We are given one AP with a list of numbers, and one number is given minus 150, and we are asked to check whether it is a term or not. Means we have to calculate the value of n. We are calculating the value of n, and n value should be a natural number. If n is not a natural, then means it will not be a term. Here in previous question, we have already calculated n value. What is the n value? 16. Natural number comes. And here the same thing, we have to calculate the n value, and that n value should be a natural number. That means it will be a term. So write how to do. Given AP is 11852. So as list of a number is given, so you can find first term a equals to 11. D, how to calculate? 8 minus 11, that will be minus 3. So difference is coming negative. So to calculate the value of n, we have to consider let an is equal to how much? Now minus 150. So what is an formula? A plus n minus 1 into d, that will be minus 150. So what is the value of a? You already know that. What is the value of a? 11. So write here 11 in place of a, plus n minus 1 into d. D means how much? Minus 3. Write here minus 3 minus 150. That 11 you take that side. So n minus 1 into minus 3, that will be minus 150 minus 11. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 161. So n minus 1 equals to minus 161 by minus 3, minus minus cancel, 161 by 3. So what is n? 161 by 3 plus 1. So now what is the LCM here? 3. 161 plus 3, that will be 164 by 3. So 164 you divide by 3. 3 5 ja how much? 15. 1 4. 3 4 ja 12. So 2, but here it doesn't divide completely. So what is the n value? So n equals to 54 whole 2 by 3. So n is now what is this is not a natural number. So minus 150 is not a term of the AP, as n is not a what natural number. I told na, that means here you have to calculate n value. N should be a natural number, but here n is coming 54 whole 2 by 3, which is not a natural number. So that's why minus 150 is not a term of the AP. So the next question is that next question, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Answer. So here AP is given, but list of number is not given, but sum of first 7 terms given, means S7 is given 49. Okay, given that S7 equals to 49 and S17 equals to 289. So you are given 2SN. So from there you have to solve it. First to take first S7 equals to how much? 49. S7 means formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 49. In place of n you write 7. Here n is already given 7. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus, in place of n you write 6 minus 1 into 7 minus 1 into d, that will be 49. So 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 means 6d, that will be 49. So here by 2 means if you take 2 common, that will cancel. 7 by 2 into take 2 common, what is left here? From 2 a plus 3d equals to 49. So 2 to cancel. A plus 3d equals to 49 by 7. So a plus 3d equals to how much? 7. You got one equation. Similarly, and another equation S17 is given 289. N by 2 means 17 by 2, because here n value, this is n value. So n by 2 means 17 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1, n means 17 minus 1 into d, that will be 289. So 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d, 289. 17 by 2 into take 2 common, that will be a plus 8d, that will be 289. 2 to cancel. A plus 8d equals to 289 by 17. 17 into 7 289, so it cancels, so that will be 17. So a plus 8d equals to 17, equation number 2. So now you have two equations. One is a plus 8d equals 17, another equation a plus 3d. A plus 3d equals 7, that you have to solve it. Right here a plus 8d equals to 17. Right here a plus 3d equals to how much? 7. Now subtract. A cancel, so 5d equals to 10. D equals to 10 by 5, that will be 2. Now you substitute this d value, okay, in the first equation. So substitute d equals to 2 in equation I. So we have a plus 3 into 2 equals to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A equals 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Now A is found. Then you find Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d means 2. So n by 2, 2 1 is 2 plus 2n minus 2. So 2 to cancel. So what is n by 2 into 2n? 2 to cancel. That will be n square. So now the next question is the first term of an AP. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So here what is given here? First term is given 5, means a equals to 5 given. Last term, please dear students, last term we represent it by an. Remember the last term. And a sum is given 400. Right answer, given that first term a equals to how much? 5. Here last term means an equals to how much? 45. And Sn is given 400. Here this has a formula, that has a formula, that has another formula. One an formula, an has a formula, Sn has a formula. So first to consider this an. An is equal to 45. So an means a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 45. Write the substitute the value of a here. 5 plus n minus 1 into d equals to 45. So n minus 1 into d equals to 45 minus 5. That means n minus 1 into d equals to 40, equation number I. Now you go for the second, Sn. Write Sn is equal to how much? 400. Write the value of Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to how much? 400. So n by 2, 2 into a value given 5 plus here n minus 1 into d you see, and here also n minus 1 into d. So direct write here 40. So that will be 400. So n by 2 into 2 5 is how much? 10 plus 40, that will be 400. So n by 2 into 10 plus 40, how much? 50 equals to 400. 2 cancels 50, 25. So n is equal to 400 by 25. If you divide here, that will be 50. So now how to calculate the common difference? N is already found. What is right here? N minus 1 into d, that is how much? 40. So right here n value how much? 15. Sorry, 15 not 16. The result will be, this will be 16. Sorry, if you divide 400 by 25, the result will be 16. So now write here 16 minus 1 into d, that will be 40. So 15d equals to 40, then d equals to 40 by 15, hence 8 by 3. So the number of terms is 16 and the common difference is 8 by 3. Over now.